Purity in Ntarangwi has been passionate about raising poultry, and this has seen her business give her back returns due to the use of an innovative technology. The traditional brooder, known as Chepkube, has changed the face of poultry farming in Laikipia County, with many farmers embracing the innovation. The brooder provides a source of heat for cooking while also providing heat to chicks warm. Our reporter Nduta Mukami has more details.
With the rising price of animal feeds, spending money on charcoal or kerosene means lower profit margins for poultry farmers. Purity in Ntarangwi recalls borrowing the idea of Chepkube brooder from other farmers in Westpokot County and has since mastered the art of making the brooder for her fellow members of the community in Laikipia County.
Ukitaka kuwa na hii jiko Chepkube, tunaitanga Chepkube. Unakuanga na mburangeti, mawe ya mburoko 5, unakuwa na bito, hii mabito mabiti, alafu unakuwa na shagalawe, wheelbarrow 2. Unawekelea, unatengeneza hapo, alafu hapo juu unatengeneza na matope, unaset vile iko. Hapo unaona ni vile iko sasa matope.
The frame of the brooder is made up of wood with metal bars forming the cooking area. Iron sheets are then placed on the upper part of the cooker to help trap the heat and transmit it to the lower section of the brooder. The walls are made of bricks, and mud is used as mortar for the top and to hold the bricks together. The brooder is environmentally friendly as there is minimal smoke inhalation, as the brooder is meant only for keeping the chicks warm. But Ntarangwi says Chepkube is not designed as a hatchery.
Huwa inasaidia huku juu tunaweka kuku ya siku moja ya 1 day. Kanakuja kakiwa kandogo, tunaweka hapo chini, alafu kanapata hiyo joto. Tunakuwa haraka.
Ntarangwi says through training on making the brooder, she has been able to train others on the invention while also installing it for her community members. This, she says, has enabled her earn supplementary income for her family.
Sasa mia niko naye, kwa saa hii niko naye. Alafu sasa huwa ninauza ikimaliza miezi 2, ninauza, napata pesa, ninaweka ingine, ninauza. Lakini kwa saa ile nimeweka niko na 150 na ninataka hiyo ikue, sitauza hiyo.
Purity is a beneficiary of the Women Economic Empowerment Climate Smart Agriculture Program that seeks to increase agricultural production through technologies.
But it's not only looking at production systems, it's also looking at the people, at the women, at their capacity to be able to grow and to be able to adopt this program.
Those who are custodians of these assets have also signed MOUs so that this asset is utilized in the right way.
Farmers using the brooders have drastically reduced the cost of buying charcoal or using electric heaters to keep the chicks warm. The initiative is part of a 4-year project by the Food and Agriculture Organization in partnership with UN Women and hand in hand funded by the Korea International Cooperation Agency Kenya at a tune of 690 million shillings. Nduta Mukami for Prime Edition.